okra. Hi guys, good morning. My name is Chinelo Ezeonye. If you're tuning for the first time, you're highly welcome. Okay, I am a mom, a wife, a business owner, and a YouTube content creator. Yeah. So today I want to make soup, like a quick one. Okay, I'll just be adding the things as it goes because I have a lot of errands to run today because I will be traveling with my hubby tomorrow. And yeah, I want to make soup. You guys, I made this hair yesterday. It's still paining me, so I've not really packed it the way it should be. Yeah, I couldn't carry you guys along. I'm sorry about that. My nails checked. Yeah, so yeah, let's dive right into the video because I have a lot of errands to run tomorrow today, and should be traveling tomorrow. Yeah, so let's dive right into the video. And Chidebe is also here to help me. Chidebe, say hi guys.
Hey guys.
So this is obono. Obono. This obono costs 5,000 naira. 2 cups of obono, 5,000 naira. Here is the stockfish. Obe. I want to go in with the dry fish. Here is fresh pepper and crayfish. Here is the meat and the meat broth. I want to go in with my fresh okra. lastly, the vegetable. No, you can draw soup.
For some.
Yes.
How are we going to eat?
Let's draw some this. So I'm going to store this one in the freezer for you people. So you guys, this is all for my draw soup. You're taller than me, oh Jesus Christ. My own is finished. My own is not finished.
Everything. There's no need.
Hey God. When I was your age, my mom tells that we are taller than her. We start crying. Now you're happy you're telling me no need because I'm trying to make myself taller than you. Hi guys, good evening. So this is the evening of this vlog, and yeah, as you can see, we just finished shopping from this mall. So let me show you guys around. This is where we are, this big mall, but we just finished shopping and then we came out. Okay, we are heading home. As you can see, some people are still, you know, going in. We went in through there and we come out through here. We came out through here, yeah. Pardon me. Like we came to get the my home essential. Baby, say hi. I keep mentioning we without showing you guys who I am with. So I came to get some essential things which I need for the house and my traveling tomorrow. Okay, yeah. So and that is it. I couldn't carry you guys along when I was picking it in because we are practically in a hurry, but yeah, I was able to catch those small clips that you guys watched, and that is it. And pardon me. So I would like to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoy. Please, have you subscribed? Have you guys subscribed? If you're new here, please subscribe. My returning subscribers, thank you guys, I appreciate. Okay, please don't leave me alone. Keep doing what you know how to do best. And yeah, that being said, I will see you guys in my next one. yeah. Bye. Maybe say bye.